Hello, welcome to yet another installment of Meet the Herd at Wilder Ranch. Today we are going to be exploring the cow pasture and meeting some of the animals that call this place their home today. Now right now I'm standing in the historic cow barn that would have been home to roughly about 200 head of dairy milking cows. Today our herd is down to just 4, and we're going to be taking a step outside from here into the cow pasture, where we'll be joined by some of our farm animal volunteers and farm animal program coordinator who will be introducing you to the herd. So I really hope you enjoy getting to know the animals that call this place home today.
Hi, good morning. My name is Sunny and I'm taking care of the animal here at Wilder. I am the farm animal coordinator and we have 4 cows. This is Betty. She is English Shorthorn. And what it means and what the Wilder did, they use this kind of cows for dairy. And when her production of milk decreased very severely, they used the animal for food. So she's a dual cow for milk and for feeding. They make incredible butter fat. The milk, like the Jersey, comes out almost yellow, and the butter fat is very thick. And the Wilder used to use the cream, the butter fat, to make butter and cream. And Betty's about 7 years old. She is bigger than the Jersey. That's a bigger size of a cow. They are coming from the old country, from England. And they're very sturdy, and they can go through a winter and hot summers without any protection. So that's why the Wilder had so many cows that were able to leave them around in the field, because they're very sturdy and healthy.
Hi, I'm Libby and I'm a volunteer out at the animal program out at Wilder. I work with Sunny and work with many other volunteers, and we are introducing you to our favorite cows today. And this is Benny. He's one of the only male animals we have on the ranch. He was born here on the ranch, just over there in the weeds, and we were unexpectedly surprised. He's been here since he was a little tiny guy. He's very gentle. He is a steer now. So he's a Jersey, and you can tell he's got a gorgeous color. He's a great size, and this is a program that we have started several years ago that Ben Lomond Market donates their extra produce, and every Tuesday night I pick it up, and every Wednesday the volunteers like Mark and I and lots of others come together, and we sort through the veggies and we donate them to the animals. So this is our green program, shall we say. And this is Betty, and his mom is here, and that's Becky, and then Bertha also came at the same time. So those are our last 3 cows. Hi. As we said, these are Jersey cows. I want to point out right now that they tend to, like little children, maybe throw their vegetables out, their greens out, so they can get to the goodies, which are fruits, different kinds of fruits, and little things that they haven't had that often. So that's why they push the veggies out, but they always come back and eat the veggies. So that's the good thing. They do not go without their vitamins. The other thing is to let you know that with Jerseys, they're bred for their buttermilk, and so being a ranch that may produce butter and was their main product, the buttermilk is, milk that is very fatty is very important. And these cows, this breed, tends to have fatty milk. So they were very good breed for the Wilders to have.
Look, did you see his haircut? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Hi again. like Libby was saying, they produce a lot of good milk. Also, there's the smallest dairy breed of the cow's population, coming from the old country, from England. And they're good. They're very sturdy again. They require very little care, and yet we do care a lot because they need, like right now, I need to fly spray them, I need to vaccinate it, and I need to deworm it once a year. I have to do all this, and once a year we have to do the hoofs, and that's a lot of work. But we have somebody that will come and will do the hoofs of all four. So there's a lot of upkeeping, but they're wonderful animals and they're safe to be around, and enjoy them.
The one thing I'd like to point out that while Benny was born over here, he is male. Usually males are a little more, probably a little bit more aggressive. This one is like Ferdinand and the Bull. He's a steer, but he is most gentle. This is his mother in the middle, and even though he's 4 years old and much bigger than his mother, he's still a baby. He's still mama's boy. When he gets scared, he will put his head under her, and she still continues to give him baths. So even though he's 4 years old and much bigger than her, mama still takes care of him.
Thank you for joining us today. It was really our pleasure to introduce you to the cows that make up our herd here at Wilder Ranch today. And we hope you enjoyed getting to meet them, and will be able to come out to the ranch to meet them for yourself sometime in the future. Take care.